Mshini. Like, I don't have to go to training for 60 days. I mean, I can only go to training for 2 days. Then I'm not. Like, you don't have to go to gym for 60 days. Go to be fit. When you're fit, you're fit. Everything I'm fit. Anything I'm fit. So, call me. Anything. I'm there. Cocomelon is there. Baby shark. Dun, 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 mommy shark. Oh, someone said I'm mommy shark. I mean, who says that? Mshini, you can't dance. Oh. Okay. Someone said something, I don't like it, but the number of calls is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Tin, tin, tin. Who does that? I mean, who does that? Guys, do you believe in me? There's the guy here on TikTok, he uses that sound like, when you see me, don't woof woof. But I say, you believe in me. You believe in me. Kiss me, come, kiss me. And the other one that, when he said, who are you come from? How many times do I tell you?